Ah, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world.
Buzz, my crush left me on Seen again.
Bruh.
I poured my heart out, wrote a paragraph. I even used crying emoji, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
A whole paragraph? Baby boy, are you trying to win a girlfriend or writing a competition?
No, Buzz, it's real love. But she doesn't appreciate nice guys, bro.
Mwah. Baby boy, she doesn't appreciate struggle text either. You wrote a love letter with zero Wi-Fi, zero money, zero hope. Your SIM card even gave up. Hey beautiful, my name is TooScott. I just want to know you better. Know her with what? Your broke vibes? Baby boy, your data is on 4% and your chances with her 2%. You better fall in love with airplane mode.
Why you always got jokes, Buzz?
Because your life is the setup. Baby boy, you got more stories than Instagram, but you got no highlights. Let's be honest, Scott. You want a girlfriend, but your fridge got 1 tomato, 3 ice cubes, and expired margarine. Romance doesn't live there, baby boy.
It's a wow.
It's hard, don't you, Buzz?
He tried it.
It's hard.
Of course it's hard, baby boy. You want date but surviving off pap and vibes only. The only date you qualify for is data expiry date. You.
But I just want someone to believe in me.
Then go to church service, baby boy. Not Tinder.
I just feel like I'm trying and nothing's happening. I upload YouTube videos but no views. I hustled and still broke.
Listen here. YouTube views don't come overnight. First is 1 view, then 5. Next thing you know, you're viral. Right now within your mirror don't even recognize you. Keep grinding. But also, your content is dry, baby boy.
Oh my
You need
God.
spice. Watching your videos is like watching paint get tired.
So now I must be funny too.
Nah, you don't need to be funny, baby boy. Just stop boring with potential.
Oh my God.
That's a dangerous combo. Alright, baby boy, your whole life is on airplane mode. You want blessings, but you can't even upload consistently.
Damn! That's a hit, bro.
You don't need a girlfriend. You need direction, motivation, and a ring light. That actually works.
So I should just stop dating.
Baby boy, if love was money, you'd be in debt. Make the girl come ask to hold your ring light.
I'm trying, bro.
And that's good. But stop trying in silence. Post, fail, post again. Be consistent like your poverty. You never seen your face while editing your videos? Baby boy, you look like you're trapped in soft life fantasy with hard life energy.
Now you're attacking my editing.
Baby boy, even God be looking at you like this one. He's waiting for a miracle with no work ethic and 2 GB of data.
You know what? You're right. I'm uploading today. I don't care if it gets 3 views.
Yes, that's the energy. Even if it's you, me, and your crush spying anonymously.
She probably blocked me.
She probably shared the screenshot in a group chat. But still, you gotta push.
So you think I'll blow up one day?
If you keep crying, you'll blow up in tears. But if you keep grinding, you'll blow up in numbers. The choice is yours.
Alright, man. Thanks. I needed that.
Anytime, baby boy. But next time, don't come to me talking about she left me on Seen. Come to me talking about, bro, I hit 10k subs.
Imagine me with 10k.
Imagine you with 10k but still using a cracked screen. Let's get your hustle up before your emotions